Rockers, I need 1 horsepower. Let's switch.
Okay. Yeah.
Broke. You like this one?
Yeah, big one.
Big one.
I like mine.
Like yours?
I like mine. Yeah.
Maybe we will be able to fix it the whole car this way.
Huh?
Good morning. We're back in the workshop. Yesterday, as I mentioned, was long day, so we decided to move on and get some rest, get some sleep. Today is a Sunday, that's why we were able to leave all the stuff behind, and we just organized the nuts and bolts. Also, we took care of and cleaned the tools. Now we are going to take the Dremel. We are going to cut the nuts in order to remove them. Sorry, not the nuts, the bolts. As the bolts are single use only, we have to cut them in order to remove them, and then we are going to order the new ones that are going to be single use only again. We want to use OEM ones to keep car as original as possible, even if it's burned, but we want to get it to the OEM shape. That's why we will try to buy and get every single bolt OEM. I'm 100% sure it's not gonna be possible, but we will try to do our best. So now, let's grab the Dremel, let's take the safety glasses and cut it off.
Oh, God.
Rockers, I need 1 horsepower. Let's switch.
Okay. Yeah.
What do we got here? Broken screwdriver. Okay.
What?
And this single bolt gave us 15 minutes of pain, round 2. Round 2 was easy because we found the weakness of the bolt, so we could win really easily. For the finish of steering column removal, this flange has to be unbolted, and then it should be easy to pull it out. Rockers, let's hope it's not gonna be another ugly fight.
It's gonna be easy, I think.
You hope so?
I hope so.
I guess we have to remove something under the hood.
Yeah, probably.
Let's take a look. It will be hard to take a look, but the leftovers of the linkage has to be removed because the hole is just too small to be able to pull it out. Okay, so you know what? I'm thinking that we should remove the brake booster first, together with the pedals, so we will have better access to the linkage.
Yeah, probably. It will be easier.
Yeah, let's remove the pedals first. You like this one?
Yeah, big one.
Big one.
Like mine.
Like yours?
Like mine. Yeah. One pedal out.
We have a clutch with some tuning, and we have a brakes. Now Rokas will be able to access last two nuts.
The fuck?
Okay, we still need to remove the lines, but it's almost out. One line is almost removed by itself. I don't know what kind of heat it was, or maybe that's the cause, that it was leaking, someone broke it off, and that's why the fire started.
Beyblade.
Beyblades? You want to bring it home?
No, I gotta do it.
How you can work with him in poker face? I can't understand. Here we have wall pedal assembly. Wait, turn it. Wait. You can pull it. Yeah. And this part is another fight. We were unable to remove it because it's so rusted in and corroded, so we will have to soak it in something in order to remove it. Want to bring it out? Damn, but that's not the biggest problem. Now look, what we have here. The floor is bent, everything is messed up. Even here, it's bent. Also, the front and the back, everything is messed up. There will be lots of work to make the floor great again. It's really bad. From the bottom, when you're looking under the car, you can see how bad it is, but when you're looking here, it's really bad. We will see how much can be fixed, how much can be replaced, but that's bad. That's really bad. For example, look at here. It's really bad. We didn't care about the car. It seems like someone messed it really bad. But no problem. We will fix it. We just need to finish up with the interior to remove everything else. The wiring that's left, the headliner, and it will be enough for this time. Nevertheless, as you can see, the floor is really soft. For example, almost fixed. Maybe we will be able to fix it the whole car this way.
Huh?
Is this still reusable?
Come on, stop making a mess. I'm trying to fix it.
Now, in order to remove the headliner, we have to remove rear and side windows. Also, we have to remove the sunroof. So let's dig into that. To remove the rear window, you have to remove this rubber around. Also, you have to push out the rubber from inside so you can easily pop it out. Talking about the side windows, you have to unscrew 2 screws here and 2 screws under here from inside, and then you can simply remove it. Talking about the sunroof, you have to bring it all to the front, lift it up, so you can remove 2 screws there. Here are some screws also. In order to remove the front part of the headliner, you have to remove them too. We think that it's enough for today, because it seems that it's a never-ending story and it will take us additional few hours to finish up with the wiring. We almost got it out, but we need to remove the bumper in order to finish up, as there are wires that going out here and we are not able to remove it without taking the bumper out. Also, there are wires going down to the fuel tank, so we also have to check how to remove them. Maybe we just need to remove these covers. We are quite exhausted and tired already, so we just don't want to check it right now. Also, door wires waiting to be removed, and then the huge part of the madness where everything is burned. Yeah, that's enough for today. We want to finish up, we want to wrap up, because we still have to clean up this madness and we have to wash the floors and everything else in order to prepare the workshop for Monday, so the guys can work on it without having to walk on the pile of parts. Yeah? See you.
See you next time.
Peace out.